Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Volkswagen Key Fob. A couple things you need. One, a screwdriver about this size is pretty much what you need. And then you need your replacement battery. This takes a 2032. You get these on Amazon, they're really inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon, get you what you need. Alright, so here's what you do. First, you take out this key, so pull that down and pull out your actual emergency key. Now, on this side right here, take your screwdriver and just, basically this is an outer ring that's going to pop up. So pry in here and just use that as leverage to push this side out. So that comes out like that. And this is where the circuit board's at. Okay, you don't need to do anything with that. Take this out, and it actually says right here, plus side down and a 2032. Okay, so we'll take our new battery, again plus side down, so the writing's down. That didn't go in right. Alright, this goes on top of here, and then that goes right there. Give it a good squeeze back together. And if it doesn't feel like it's squeezing, don't force it. And put your key back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.